So, for this morning's assembly, there's a bit of an activity for you to do that links into mindfulness. I talked about mindfulness in yesterday's assembly briefly. I know it's something that you'll have gone through with your form tutors this year as well. But times like this, where we're facing uncertainty and some anxiety, mindfulness can be really, really helpful. Because what it helps you do is focus on what's happening in the here and now. As human beings, we can often really worry about what's gone on in the past, or be really anxious and concerned about what may happen in the future, often things that we don't have control over. So as in the first lockdown, practicing some mindfulness, even just for a couple of minutes a day, can have a really significant benefit to our mental health and well-being. So for this activity, you should notice the graphic on the right-hand side of the screen. That graphic helps time your breathing, your inhalation and exhalation, as we go through this mindfulness activity. Firstly, sit yourself in a comfortable position. Keep your back upright, but not too tight. Rest your hands wherever they're comfortable, and put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, or wherever you feel most comfortable. Now try to notice and relax your body. Consciously think about where your weight falls, how you're sitting, and what is comfortable for you. Let yourself become curious about how your body is seated, the sensations it experiences, the touch, the connection with the floor or the chair. Relax any areas of tightness or tension and just focus on that breathing. Tune into your breath. Feel the natural flow of your breath in and out. You don't need to do anything here. Not long breaths, not short breaths. Just try and keep it natural. Notice where you feel your breath in your body. It might be in your abdomen, it might be in your chest, throat, or in your nostrils. See if you can feel the sensations of your breath, one breath at a time. When one breath ends, the next one begins. Try next to be kind to your wandering mind. Now, as you do this, you might notice your mind might start to wander. It might start to think about other things. If this happens, it's not a problem. It's actually really natural. Just notice that your mind has wandered, say thinking or wandering in your head softly, and gently redirect your attention back to your breathing. If you can, stay here for 5 to 7 minutes. If you can't, 1 or 2 minutes will do. Just try to notice your breath in silence. From time to time, you might get lost in thought. Then, just return to your breath. Check in before you check out. After a few more minutes, once again try and notice your whole body seated here. Let yourself relax even more deeply and then offer yourself some appreciation for doing this practice today.